Hey everybody, I wanted to show you my sparkle pocket letter. So this is from a Facebook group. So we had to use anything sparkly or glittery. So sparkle tape, glitter paper, glitter ribbon, beads, anything that was shiny or glittery. So yeah, I think I covered it all. I used tape. These stars are actually made out of glitter. So you just did the glue, cut them out, put the glue on it, and then cover them in glitter. Very messy. There's like the angel glitter everywhere. And then I just added my favorite metallic ribbon and my favorite beads. So her favorite colors were blue and purple, and I just added a bit of gold just to give it that extra shine. And I'll show you the back. So I got these cool wooden stars. Then I got these shiny glitter pieces. Then I had some extra star die cuts, so I just included those. And these were given to me. So they're like little glitter stars and hearts, and they have stars on the ribbon. Those are also given to me. I got this cool necklace off of AliExpress. So I thought, oh, that'd be awesome. I can use this. I bought this just for my pocket letters. Then I have some gemstones, and you can't have a pocket letter without T, so I included a T, and then I included some glitter, not rhinestoney, but glitter parts, and then these are sticker stars. So yeah, that's the back. I try to stay with the star theme and glitter theme. You need to include T all the time, So I think it turned out pretty well. So this is from my Facebook group. And those are split pins. So they just go right through the paper. This is on the outside because this star is too big for the inside. So yeah, and the star die cut comes in two extra sizes, two bigger sizes. So that is my sparkle glitter pocket letter from my Facebook group. Later.